Hey everybody, just want to take a minute or two with you and talk about Nixon, the art of doing nothing. So yesterday I talked about forest bathing, introduced in Japan for their folks to get out of the urban and city setting and go actually saunter in the forest. In Norway, they encourage doing nothing. And I encourage you to do nothing. Just get out there and do nothing. No phone, no writing, no chatting with somebody. I mean, maybe that's good too, but the art of doing nothing can be very soothing and healing for your parasympathetic nervous system. The fight or flight gets pushed aside, and the rest, relax, and digest gets allowed some space because you're doing nothing. What's your favorite nothing to do? Sitting at a lake. I once saw a meme, and it was a picture of a chair next to a lake or a river, and it said, "A man would be happy to sit here all day long and call it a great day." Probably fishing, I'm sure, but still, sometimes it's best to just do nothing instead of be a busybody and always doing something. Very good for your mind, your heart, your blood pressure, inflammation. Put your bare feet on the ground and get some grounding in while you're at it. But get out there and go do nothing if you can. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you soon.